Yo, it's Mel from Holla Direct TV, Holla Direct Apparel, Easysubli.com. We back again with another video today. What I want to talk about is transfer paper. Now, transfer paper is what you would use if you first getting started, or it's like it's a method. Basically, it's a method of transferring images onto garments. I want to talk about a few different transfer papers. Now, I don't have Nina Jet Pro Soft Stretch or Nina Jet Opaque here with me, but the Jet Opaque basically is for darker colors, and the Jet Pro Soft Stretch is for white shirts. This right here, you see my homie Snoop, and you see my Dead President's t-shirt. So I'm gonna get into the pros and cons. Now, these guys were made with this heat transfer vinyl that is made for sublimation. It's called Easysubli HTV, and this is the 50 pack. It's very expensive for what it is. It works to get the job done. I like it for the most part, but what I don't like is that sound and that feel. This right here is bad business when you got some company, you got a shorty over, I mean, y'all laying down, she want to lay on your chest. It's gonna get real sweaty and hot and itchy, and it's gonna be uncomfortable for her. Don't do that. She's not gonna wanna lay on your chest. You got shorties coming over, you wanna make sure you got that smooth screen printed ink on your shirt. And it just blends right in. It just feels like it's in there because it is. It's not on there, it's in there. About the Easysubli vinyl is that none of these corners have peeled up. If you go back in my videos, you remember when I made this shirt. I was designing it or something like that. Yeah, none of the corners are picked up. That goes for this one too. Everything is tacked down nice and solid. So it's solid for that, because if that was Jet Pro Soft Stretch, or excuse me, Jet Pro Soft Stretch on white shirts goes on just fine. I like that. You gotta use your lint roller and you good. I like Jet Pro Soft Stretch for white shirts, but the Jet Opaque, it feels very papery. This feels papery too. That's the only downside to this right here. As far as this, the durability is A1. It's been through a lot of washes, can stand the test of time. Other than that papery feel to it and sound, if you okay with that, then you good money all day with these. It's a go. All right, so look, boom. I'm gonna touch on the method we use to get this onto these shirts in just a moment, but I wanna talk more about this, and I wanna talk more about those transfers. All right, so look, basically, this right here, like I said, it's a go. By all means, it'll do the job, make the shirt. Take this off the table. Now we talking about Nina Jet Pro Soft Stretch and Nina Jet Opaque. The transfer paper, those are inkjet based transfer papers. Inkjet ink from your regular inkjet printer. It's cool if you just getting started, or you just making like a rest in peace t-shirt or a birthday t-shirt, stuff that people not really gonna be wearing like that, because it's gonna wear down. The quality is going to be poor. It's gonna deteriorate over time. You don't want that for your brand. If you've been making clothes for quite some time, I'll slap you if I catch you using that. You listen, make that investment. Make an investment, get you a sawgrass printer, and come back over here, get you some of these, and get in that game. Use this for a while, and then eventually get into DTG. I don't want to see nobody sitting stagnant. I want to see y'all investing your money into better equipment that's going to make better products for your customers. That's what I want to see you working on. What are you working on? All right, guys, so look, we on Easysubli.com, and we're in the shop area. I like this guy right here. Let's go ahead and see how much this is. Okay, so this is $19.99. Now, every time I get an order for one of these guys, I'm not cutting vinyl with the vinyl cutter, okay? Listen, it's very time consuming, and it's not cost effective at all, in the least bit. So I'm gonna show you how we get around that for each and every one of these designs. Haha. Our screen printed transfers from 613 Originals. Now these, I've explained it many times, I'm going to explain it again. It's a process called screen printing. But instead of screen printing the Plastisol ink straight onto the garment, what they do is they screen print it onto a special release paper, a transfer paper. And this could be stored away, as you just saw, it was in my tote, for whenever I get an order. I just take a sheet and I heat press it onto the garment. And then I package it, as you've seen before, and I ship it out to the customer. It's about simplicity over here. We don't make it any more difficult than it needs to be. We don't complicate anything. I promise. Listen, it's okay. Trust me, it's okay. I want more for you. You gotta want it for yourself though. Or else how I feel don't matter about it. It's just raw simplicity. That's it. Don't take nothing from it. Don't add nothing to it. Listen, let me tell you something. Stop being afraid to invest in yourself to get better results. They will come. Trust me when I tell you that. Stop cutting corners, doing what you think works because it's been working, but you're scared to make that initial investment to get some better products. Stop doing that. Oh, listen, stop doing that. That's all I'm gonna tell you. Matter of fact, that's my next t-shirt. Stop doing that. Until next week, it's Mel from Holla Direct TV, Holla Direct Apparel, and I'm out of here. Stop doing that. What are you working on?